Lesson 4, Setting up and Solving One-Step Equations. Here are the directions. Follow along with your instructor to complete this lesson. Set up and solve the equations for the word problems below. Draw a bar model to check your work. Let's go over each problem, starting with box A. A number equals 42, and we'll use the letter N to represent a number. So here, a number equals 42. Here's the bar model, and it's pretty simple. We have a number, and it equals 42. What's the number? We know that the number is 42. Here's box B. 7 added to a number equals 42. So here's the number. We're going to add 7, and it's going to equal 42. Let's solve. Here we have n equals 35. Now for the bar model. 7 added to a number equals 42. So here's the number. We're going to add 7, and that'll equal 42. 42 minus 7 equals 35. So the number is 35. Now for box C. 7 subtracted from a number is 42. So here's the number. We're going to subtract 7 from it, and that'll give us 42. Let's solve. Here we have n equals 49. Here's the bar model. 7 subtracted from a number is 42. So here's the number. We're going to subtract 7, and that'll leave us with 42. What's the number? The number is 49. Here's box D. A number multiplied by 7 equals 42. So here we have a number. We're going to multiply it by 7, and that'll give us 42. Let's solve. Here we have n equals 6. Here's the bar model. Here's a number, and we're going to multiply it by 7. So this is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and 7 times. And this will give us 42. And we know here that the answer will be 6. Since 6 7 times equals 42. Here's box E. A number doubled equals 16. So here's a number, and if it's doubled, it'll equal 16. Let's solve. N equals 8. Here's the bar model. A number doubled equals 16. So here's the number, and if we double it, it will equal 16. And here we know that 8 and 8 give us 16. Here's box F. Half of a number equals 16. So here's a number. Let's take half of it, and that will give us 16. Let's solve. N equals 32. Here's the bar model. Half of a number equals 16. Here's the number. Let's take half of it, and that'll give us 16. We know that this half is 16 as well, so that means the original number was 32. Here's box G. 1/3 of a number is 21. So here's a number, and if we took 1/3 of it, it would give us 21. Let's solve. N equals 63. Here's the bar model. 1/3 of a number is 21. So here's the number, and 1/3 of it is 21. That means this is 21, and this is 21 as well. So the original number was 63. Box H. 2/3 of a number is 8. So here's the number, and 2/3 of that number equals 8. Let's go ahead and solve. Let's simplify this. Here we have n equals, let's simplify this. 4 times 3 equals 12. So our answer is n equals 12. Now for the bar model. 2/3 of a number is 8. So here's the number. And now let's take 2/3 of it. Here's 1/3 and 2/3. And 2/3 of a number is 8. That means this is 4 and this is 4. If this is 4 and this is 4, that means this part is 4 as well. So the original number is 12. Finally, box I. 3/4 of a number is 15. So here's a number, and let's take 3/4 of it. And that'll give us 15. Let's go ahead and solve. Let's simplify this. Here we have n equals, let's simplify this. 5 times 4 equals 20. So our answer is n equals 20. Here's the bar model. 3/4 of a number is 15. So here's the number. And now let's take 3/4 of it. Here's 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. And 3/4 of a number is 15. That means this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5. If each of these parts is 5, then this fourth part is 5 as well. And that means the original number is 20.